Morning. Time to refill the water. Great day for Liberty, but the sprayer is leaking oil. And my dad went to the city this morning to get different O-rings and possibly a hose made up. So hopefully we can get going this morning, because the winds are supposed to be calm and it's supposed to be 25 degrees, which makes spraying conditions pretty good. And need to get going on the canola because after this rain it's starting to jump, which is good. And this wheat looks good too. Nice and dewy this morning. Wet in the canopy. The head is in the main stem because it's all swollen. Let's see if I can find it. The head's in the stem. I kind of mushed it, but it's coming. It is there. The goal for today is fix the hydraulic oil leak on the sprayer, get back going, spray everything up north, come home and spray this field here because it looks good. It has surpassed all our other fields. Almost starting to bolt, so it needs to get done. It's Tuesday, June 17th, Game 6 tonight. I hope the leak on the sprayer isn't foreshadowing for what's to come. Game 7 would be Friday. It'll all be over by the time you see this, but you never know, maybe they'll drag them back to Alberta again. The sprayer is leaking oil. Right there.
Gotta be that line.
Tried a new O-ring, didn't work. Must be the fitting. The steel line has a crack in it or a pinhole and it's just spraying everywhere, so I gotta get this whole line changed. Okay, a couple hours later, Tex here put a new hose on. Please don't leak. Not leaking. Good thing I brought my lunch. I was confident. Back in business. Thank you. Let this mix up. It's been sitting in the tank for a while. Got rid of that 45-degree steel elbow fitting, which it basically just wore through that and was pissing out hydraulic oil, and just put a straight hose in. And I guess this isn't the first sprayer that this has happened to, so back going now. Now what the hell? My right boom just dropped and I got nothing here. Doesn't look good. little bit of life. It right side can go up and down here, just that tip is way back still. Starting to regain life. Just air in the system. Probably should have folded in and out a few times to purge that air. I can get it this far and now that one's stuck. More signs of life. This boom's really slow. Got that tip in. Just keep working the hydraulics, folding in, folding out. There it goes. Stupid thing. Never folded in and out so many times in my life. All my nozzle bodies on my right tip got turned. Gotta rotate them back and recheck them. Probably all plugged full of dirt. It's really off. No, they're not plugged. I have no idea how. Dragging in the dirt. So, load our job, and finally by 1:30 we'll do our first tank of the day. The right boom's scared now. It's coming down. It reached for the sky though. It's like, no! I don't want to drag in the dirt again. Come on. Come down. Come down. It's coming. It's gonna be okay. Come on back. Come on back. There you go. There we go. We're okay. Everybody is fine. The right breakaway was airlocked. I could only move my left boom up and down. Then eventually the right boom straightened out. And then I could lift it up and down. But then the left side from the breakaway to the tip was airlocked. Just kept folding and unfolding, and then I guess it just worked that arrow. But the booms did do what they're supposed to. That main breakaway breaks back, and then the tips, it's a four-way, so it breaks away left, right, up, and down for when you really get into trouble. The wind is borderline, but gotta get a couple tanks out. Probably not gonna make the goal for today. I know the neighbor has Liberty Link canola. That's my buddy. It's dry. Where's the other end of this? Right there. Dry. Pattern looks good. There was a cloud building. I don't know if it's going to amount to anything. It was headed my way. I'm still trying to upload weekly videos, but if there isn't, I also make YouTube shorts. They're like 30 seconds, a more recent clip, usually that day or the previous day. So that is also on the channel somewhere under another column. Maybe you found those already, but maybe you haven't, so those are on there too, so check them out. I don't even know if I told you what I was spraying. Canola, obviously. Liberty at 1.35 liters per acre. Facet for cleavers, Centurion for volunteer weed and grasses, and Valid so it doesn't drift so bad. Hopefully the yard is catching a shower. That's good. It can stay down there. some lightning all around me. Not sure, reload and wait a bit, or wait a bit then reload. Waited for that cloud to go through, refueled, back spraying up north. Not gonna meet our goal of getting to that field by the yards, but tomorrow morning's supposed to be calm. Hopefully get a few tanks out, and had some setbacks earlier, so that's okay. Game 6 on the radio now. I like how I make farming videos and talk about farming and this whole farming YouTube channel, and then a lot of the comments are, hey, catch the hockey game last night? That is, if that's not Canadian, I don't know what is. I think that's hilarious. So keep commenting. I'll try to reply to all the ones I can.
Weights, dishes, Bennett, shot, score!
Kidding me?